Hello friends, today we will talk about the computer net data communication. What is data communication? Data communication is exchange of data between two devices through the same form of transmission media. It has a four characters: deliver, accuracy, timelines, jitter. Deliver, data delivered to correct destination. Accuracy, deliver the data accurately. Timeline, data is delivered in timely manner. Jitter, variation in packet arrival time. These are the characteristic of data communications. फिर आता है हमारा कंपोनेंट ऑफ डेटा कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क. डेटा कम्युनिकेशन कंपोनेंट्स: मैसेज, सेंडर, रिसीवर, transmission media, that is a physical path. Protocol, set of rules that govern a data communication. Computer network is a set of devices connected by some communication links. Components of communications. And next come to the data. Data or a message can be of various forms such as text, audio, video, image, or combination of these forms. Sender, a data must have to be sent to a destination from a source. It can be a computer, cell phone, video camera, and so on. Receiver, destination of a transmission data in the receiver, which will receive the data. A receiver can again be a computer, cell phone, video camera, and so on. Transmission media. Transmission media is a physical path for a data to travel in a destination after being sent by the sender. Transmission media could be twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optical, etc. Protocol. Protocol is nothing but a set of rules that applies on a full data communication processor. For example, how the data will be sent, how the data will be traveled, how to ensure the full data by the receiver, how to handle the error in transmission, etc. Simplex. Simplex, the sender can only send the data and the receiver can only receive the data. Simplex is like a one-way road in which the traffic travels only one direction, no vehicle from the opposite direction allowed to enter. For example, keyboard. Where half duplex. Sender and receiver both can send and receive the information. Only one is allowed to send at a time. For example, walkie-talkie. Speaker at both and can speak, but they have to speak one by one. Full duplex. Full duplex is both way communication like a telephone. Signals: analog and digital signal. Analog signal is a continuous signal and digital is a discrete natural signals. In analog and digital signals are two types: analog and digital. Analog signal is a continuous signal which has infinite number or a voltage, current or voltage. Example like the C waves is example of analog. And digital, as you see the digital watch,